Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I stand here with a heart full of gratitude and a lot of memories. My 3 months journey at Rahas English Care was really very meaningful and memorable. At the very first, 3 months ago when I joined Rahas English Care, I was very nervous, but at present, it's a new me. You guys can see the confident version of me. I always thought I could speak English fluently in front of many people, and that was only possible because of Rahat's English Care and my honorable mentors. A big thanks for Rahat sir and my favorite Ibrahim sir. They make me more confident. Their patience, their encouragement, their teaching method gives me more confidence. I am very thankful for my classmates. They support me a lot. They are my learning partner also. We learn, we fail, and we grow together. That's how 3 months passed away. I didn't even realize. So it's time to say goodbye. I won't never forget my teacher and also Raha's English Care family and my classmates. So thank you all. Keep me in your prayers. Thank you.